In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in your game, whether you're playing on your phone or using an emulator like BlueStacks. The steps are nearly identical, so you can follow along no matter which platform you prefer. First, you'll want to start by opening the game on your phone. If you're using the BlueStacks emulator for this demonstration, you'll open the game through BlueStacks on your desktop. Now, just like on your mobile device, the setup is quite straightforward on the emulator. Once the game loads up, we're going to navigate through the game menu. Now keep an eye out for the settings icon. This icon usually looks like a small gear and is your key to accessing the more detailed aspects of the game. Once you find it, go ahead and give it a tap or click depending on your device. Inside the settings menu, there will be various options available for you to explore. What you're looking for here is the language or locale option. This is where you will be able to change the language in which the game is displayed. Scroll through the settings menu until you find this option. Sometimes it might be tucked away under a sub-menu, so be patient while you search. Once you locate the language or locale option, you'll see a list of languages available in the game. Select the language you prefer from this list. To do this, simply tap or click on your chosen language. Make sure to confirm your selection. Often you'll need to click an OK or confirm button to save your choice. This confirmation step ensures that your language preferences are truly locked in. After you have confirmed your new language setting, the next step is to close the game completely. This might seem a little odd, but to ensure that the language change takes full effect, you need to actually exit out of the game. On your phone, this means swiping the app away. In BlueStacks, you'll click the X to close the game entirely. Once the game has closed, go ahead and reopen it. As the game starts again, you should see everything displayed in your newly selected language. This restart is crucial because it triggers the game to reload and apply the new settings. This method allows you to fully experience the game in the language you're most comfortable with, helping you enjoy a more personalized gaming experience. And that's it! You've successfully managed to change the language settings in your game. Whether you're on your mobile device or using BlueStacks, the process is simple and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your game in your preferred language. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. And in